The postseason mix here today. DC United in to visit these Whitecaps.
And it's a short turnaround from Colorado, and that means a lot of freshness across the Whitecap midfield. Sebastian Berhalter set up the game-tying goal as a sub Wednesday. He gets to start wide right tonight. Richie Larea moves to the left side, and both Vite and Schopf come back into central midfield. For DC, they're as healthy as they have been for a while, with the return of Derek Williams to center back, although no Russell Knaus, who's missing through yellow card suspension. Jackson Hopkins steps in for him, and Pedro Santos and Rowan start in the fullback positions.
Late season East-West matchup, both sides really needing, almost desperate for a win to improve their playoff odds. These are the players to watch, presented by RBC Wealth Management, proud partner of Major League Soccer.
Danny Sartini says that Brian White is the best center forward in MLS right now, considering what he does both offensively with 13 goals on the year, but also with his defensive play and selfless running. It's a team-first mentality that's led him to have his best year ever as an MLS player. And for DC, Christian Benteke scored a hat-trick last week. He's just 2 back in the Golden Boot lead. Such a handful for defenders all over the field. He leads MLS in aerial duels won, but he's especially dangerous when he's close to goal and inside the area.
Those are the players to watch, presented by RBC Wealth Management, a proud partner of Major League Soccer. It's Truth and Reconciliation Weekend here in Canada. The Coast Salish Anthem will play us to break. First Kick is coming up.
Fans, today we honor the lost children and survivors of residential schools, their families, and communities. Our acknowledgement of the painful history and ongoing impacts of residential schools is an essential part of the reconciliation process. Please join us in a moment of reflection as we stand in solidarity with residential school survivors, the victims' families, and all Indigenous communities. Huechuca Haiseamka. Thank you.
to Harper. Into the area. Fernandez towards goal. It's a lovely volley.
La hace cada vez más chiquita. Lucho, golazo, Lucho, golazo, Lucho, golazo!
Centre en retrait. Andy! Ahmed Andy!